Go.
All right, they're off and running with the bots doing what they're doing right now by autonomous program. They've been programmed by the human players. The students have learned how to program, and hopefully the programming will be sufficient to gain a bunch of points. And hopefully the bots will respond the way they're supposed to. Now we're entering a 10-second transition period between the autonomous time and when the human players regain control as 1746 moves through the trench, picking up those fuel cells, pushing them through and scoring as it's 45-28 in favor of the Red Alliance, with 11-2-14 pushing fuel cells towards their alliance. Remember, in this competition, the only place that they can score from is in that alliance zone, which is located between the hub and the tower wall. As long as they're touching that red or blue line on either side of the field, inside of it, they can score. But they can only score when their hub is lit, as you see the Blue Alliance lit right now, with 8 seconds left to go in the 25-second scoring transition time. Now the Red Alliance takes control. They're at 97 over the Blue Alliance 56 as they continue to increase their lead in scoring, working towards 240 of those fuel cells entering that hub in order to get credit for a ranking point when they charge their hub. After they get to 240, there's another ranking point they can get should they be able to gain another 120 points above that, as 3091, the 100 scholars, working with the fuel, pushing it towards the Blue Alliance zone. They're through the trench with those fuel cells, pushing it towards the outpost so the human players can score, as you see them firing from the outpost into the hub, 1 point apiece, just like with the bots. Each one of those fuel cells, those round yellow objects on the field, are worth 1 point apiece, as we're at 194 for the red, 98 for the blue, as they both try to get to 240. The Red Alliance is at 200. We're looking for 210 right now. 200 looking for 210. 200 looking for 210. We're looking for 210 right now, as they're at 207. We want to try to get them as close to 240 as we can, and hopefully above the 240. They're at 207 right now, trying to get to 210 or more, trying to get as many points as they can possibly can, as it's 210-116 over the Blue Alliance as the match comes to an end. And as we've done all tournament long, we're going to wait for the Rockmobile, that F1 provided to us by Haas, to take off from the rock launching pad with its rock wheels and its 2-foot power to tell us who was victorious. There they go, the Red Alliance victorious, leaving that red painted stripe behind with a score of 211-119, as the Red Alliance gains 3 ranking points for the victory.